Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review for you guys on a product that I just recently discovered, and I thought it sounded so unique, so revolutionary. I had to try it out because I was like, what? Like I never would have thought to create something like this, but it's such a good idea. So basically what it is, it's magnetic eyeliner with magnetic lashes. And you put the magnetic eyeliner first, and then the magnetic lashes stick to the magnetic eyeliner so you don't have to use glue. And I think that sounds amazing because I don't really like lashes for a multitude of reasons. I don't think they're very comfortable. I usually stay away from lashes if I can. If I do wear lashes, it's usually just the outer corner lashes, or I'll wear them if I have like a special occasion or something like that, but I don't wear lashes day to day. And I also hate applying them. I hate the glue. I just think it's messy. I don't know. I'm just not a huge lash person day to day. But I feel like this could be a very good product for somebody like me who doesn't like the application process and is just kind of like about it. So we're gonna see if this works, if the lashes stay, if it's worth the money. So this is the brand Tori Belle, and a friend of mine started selling this. And I think this is kind of like one of those MLM type of things, you know, where you sell the products to your friends and you can like sign people up, stuff like that. So I was curious, a little skeptical, but curious. So together, the liner and the lashes cost $50, which I think is fairly expensive. That's not cheap, for sure. But my theory behind this is that these are gonna last you far longer because you don't have the glue. And I feel like the reason why lashes end up, you know, getting old and not being able to be reused is because of the glue. And so if you're not using glue with these, I feel like these would last a million times longer. You're gonna get many more uses out of them. And so the $50 will pay off in the long run. So we'll see about that, but you get two sets of lashes, or well, one set of lashes, two lashes, and then you get these smaller ones if you want to do like individual lashes right here, and then just one tube of this. I don't know how many ounces this is. It doesn't say on the bottle, but it doesn't feel like very much. So I'm gonna actually try something in this video. I'm gonna do one eye with just this, and then I'm gonna do the other eye a different way, because I feel like if you buy this, because it's such a small tube, you're gonna wanna conserve it. At least I feel like that, because this isn't very much and it is expensive. So with this eye, I'm gonna do just the magnetic liner, and then I'm gonna put the lashes on it. And then with this eye, I'm actually gonna use my Physicians Formula winged liner because I love this stuff. It's what I've been using for years and years and years. I'm gonna put this on first, and then I'm gonna put this over the top just on the lash line, and then I'm gonna put these on. Because usually with me, what I do is I'll just put this on in the morning thinking that I'm just gonna wear regular eyeliner, regular mascara, no lashes. But then if I wanna put fake lashes on later in the day, usually I'll just stick some glue on and put my fake lashes on. So if I already have this on, will it work to put this over the top and then the magnetic eyelashes? Also, I feel like this is a good way to conserve this. So if you want to use this, you can do your wing and everything, and you can just do a little bit right on the lash line. It'll conserve this product more so you don't run out of it so fast. You guys want to see my new kitten? Isn't she cute? So we got Elena a kitten. Her name is Kikio, and she's about 3 months old. So this is what the product looks like. It is a small little skinny brush, which I prefer this over like felt tip, so that's good. But we're gonna try this. Okay guys, so this is the first eye. And one thing I can say about this is I had to re-dip this like 100 times. And I'm somebody that likes a massive wing. Like I like a really long wing. And so I feel like doing that just was wasting the product, because obviously the eyelashes don't go out to here. So I feel like what I'm gonna do with this eye is probably gonna be the best way to do it if you don't wanna waste this product. I definitely feel like it's a thick consistency. It's not matte. It's not a matte eyeliner. I'm gonna do it differently on this eye. Like I said, I'm gonna use my Physicians Formula eyeliner first, and then I'm just gonna put this right over the top, just on the lash line. So this is my Physicians Formula side. This is my Tori Belle side, or Magnitude. Is it Magnitude or is it Tori Belle? I actually don't know, because this says Magnitude and this says Tori Belle. Anyways, my Physicians Formula side actually looks better. It's a little bit more smooth of a line. This isn't bad, it's just a little bit not quite as like clean. But maybe it's just because I'm used to this stuff, I don't know. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this right over the top, just on the lash line of my Physicians Formula side. Honestly, I think this is gonna be the way to do it, guys, to be honest, because yeah, otherwise it's super duper wasteful. But I'm gonna let it completely, make sure it's completely dry. So I'm gonna put on mascara first because I like to add just a little bit to darken up my natural lashes. So this is what the lashes look like. They have little square magnets, if you guys can see that. I'm hoping that those don't show once they're on. Okay, it's not really sticking on this inside corner. Might be because I didn't put enough there. They come off really easy. I'm gonna put a little bit more in this inner corner area. Dry. The one thing I'm noticing right now though, putting it on that first time, is these are really long, like wide. And I have pretty big eyes, but these are almost a little bit too long for my eyes. I mean, I guess you could trim them. Okay, let's try this again. I feel like these magnetic lashes are almost easier to put on with your fingers. Okay, they're not sticking on this inner corner very good. I might actually put mascara on these. I don't know if you're supposed to or not, but they're very natural. I don't know, some people I think put mascara on their fake lashes. I've always done it, but I know some people don't. I always just think it looks better when you do. I don't know. It depends on the lashes really, to be honest. So one thing that I can say is it's a little bit pokey in this inner corner. It's kind of like poking inside of my eye, but we'll see just a second. So let me do this eye. I don't know why it's not wanting to stick in that inner corner very good. I don't know if I'm not putting enough eyeliner on. Maybe I didn't put enough of this on that inner corner. Let's put a little bit more of this magnetic eyeliner. So this feels a lot better. Now that it's kind of sat on my eye for a little bit, it's not poking anymore. Okay, that one worked better. I feel like this one went on better, like it looks better on my eye. And I think I just needed more of the magnetic eyeliner on it. What the heck, why isn't it sticking? Okay, got them on, they're good. So these actually look really good on. These look so much better on than the other magnetic lashes that I used. If you guys remember that video, that was a complete fail. Didn't like those ones at all. They looked horrible on the eye, and they were the sandwich kind where you put them on and they like sandwich together. They didn't work at all. These look so good on the eye. They look just like fake lashes, only you don't have the glue that has to dry and all that. It looks exactly the same, just without the glue, which is awesome. They're very comfortable. More comfortable than regular fake lashes because it doesn't feel like it's like drying on your eyes. Like, you know that really tight feeling that fake lashes can give you once like the glue dries and like once you have them on, it feels tight. These don't have that tight feeling. It's just very loose and like, they just feel very natural, almost like feather-like. That's a good way to explain it. I'm really curious to see if these stay on all day. I had a hard time kind of getting them to stick in the inner and outer corners. I put a lot of this magnetic stuff on there, but the inner and outer corners had a hard time. And I also think that they're a little bit too long for everybody's eyes. Being somebody that has humongous eyes, they were almost too big for me. And I also felt like you had to make a thick enough band, especially in the inner corner. Usually when I do my eyeliner, I do it really thin in the inner corner and then it gets kind of thicker on the way out. But because you needed enough in that inner corner to get the lashes to stick, you needed a decent amount of eyeliner in that inner corner. But it doesn't look bad. It's just a little bit thicker than I normally do, if that makes sense. I definitely feel like this side is the way to go with the regular eyeliner, and then this just on the lash line. That is gonna save you so much of this product, and it's probably gonna save you a ton of money in the long run. This is probably how I'm going to end up doing it. And I also feel like too, if it does start to come off for whatever reason, like if they just like move, it's really easy to just kind of like stick them back in their spot because it's magnetic eyeliner, so it's not like you're gonna need to carry glue around with you or you're gonna need to apply more glue. It's just a magnet, so all you have to do is like put it back in its place and it's fine. So that's another really nice perk about this. I would definitely consider it to be black. It's just not matte. So if that really bothers you, there's that. Oh look, it just popped off. Just popped off. It's not good. I wonder where that happened. Maybe I should put some more of this on. No, I already did that though. It's kind of popping off again. Okay, what I'm gonna do is take it off. They come off really easy. I'm gonna put more of this on. Definitely sticks right away. It's just these inner corners. Yeah, this inner corner one isn't sticking. It's not staying down. All right guys, I had to put even more. I brought it down farther and I made it thicker. I don't wanna make it any more thick because otherwise it's gonna look weird. So let's try this again. I cleaned off the magnets here because I thought that maybe there was some residue, like I applied them while it was still too wet. Okay, that time it really stuck. Oh, not this side. I will let you guys know what I think. I'm gonna wear them for the rest of the day, and then later tonight I'll let you guys know how they felt, if they stayed, if I had any problems with them coming off. Hey guys, so I am back doing a check-in, and it's actually not super late in the day. I would say, what time is it? It's about 5:45. I probably had these on for about 5 hours or so. And I have to say they are still super, super comfortable, but I'm gonna get up close to the camera and show you guys kind of what is happening to these lashes. So, as you guys can see, the inner corners of these lashes are not doing very well. Now, this one actually was coming off first. This one just wouldn't stay, even like after I got done filming the video. Like it worked for a while, but then it was kind of still not cooperating fully. This one did pretty good, but kind of throughout the day, it kind of started popping off a little bit. Both of the middle part of my eyes, the eyeliner is actually coming off. And I thought maybe this one, the eyeliner was coming off because of the regular liner underneath, but this did the same thing, which is why they're popping off, because the eyeliner is no longer on. It actually like magnetized to the magnet and just came off of my eye, which I thought was really weird. And so it's really like impossible for it to re-stick because the eyeliner is not even on my eye anymore. I'm actually gonna take these off and I'm gonna see how much of the eyeliner actually sticks to the magnets and see if that is an issue. So let's go ahead and take this one off. And as you can see, some of the eyeliner is removed where the magnets were. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's take this one off. This one isn't as bad. I mean, part of the eyeliner has come off where the magnets were, but this side is a little bit worse. So that means the eyeliner is on the magnets. So that is an issue, and I think maybe the reason why it happened in the inner corners is because that's kind of where your eyes are gonna water the most, if you're gonna have any like watering of the eyes. But I'm just gonna see if reapplying the eyeliner, cleaning these off again, I'm gonna see if I have the same issues or if it works. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and then I'll let you guys know. All right, you guys, so while the eyeliner on my eyes is drying, I wanna make sure it's completely dry before I put these on because I don't want that residue thing to happen again because I just cleaned them all off. But I wanted to see if I put some on my wrist right here, I wanted to see if these would stick on my wrist, and I wanted to see if like a really, really thin line would be enough of a magnet to keep these on. So I did a little thin line because I know not everybody likes as much eyeliner as me. I like a lot of eyeliner. I like really thick, really dramatic wings, but not everybody likes that. So I wanted to see if a really small wing would, you know, be enough to hold these on. So I have it on there and it's kind of sticking, but I want to show you guys something. I put it on here and it's sticking. So it is sticking, but not well. Like I could literally just go like this and it'll come off. So it's not even really sticking to this magnet here, and there's hardly any on there. I mean, maybe slightly. Yeah, they're not gonna stick. They feel like they're just gonna like fall off, like super easy. I'm honestly trying to think of maybe other ways that this could work. I'm trying to think of maybe other ways that I may have done it wrong. But both sides are kind of the same. So it's not the eyeliner underneath, because I feel like both sides are about equally sticky. What I can say is they're sticking slightly. So there's a little bit of magnet still there, but not enough for me to feel comfortable going out in these. Especially if I was like drinking or something and I wasn't paying attention to my eyelashes, there's a good chance they would come off because they're just not sticking very well. They're sticking to each other, but they're not sticking to my eye. All right, you guys, so I decided that I'm gonna do something kind of risky, but the reason I may be having problems with these is because they're too long for my eyes and they go too far in to like the inner part of my eyes, which is why I was having some problems with them coming off right there. So I'm actually gonna trim them. Now, some people might be cringing at this, but I feel like this is the only way for me to actually see if these are gonna work better for me. So I'm actually going to trim the outside corner, and I'm gonna trim all the way up to the next magnet in, so that way it sticks on the outer corner. So I feel like that was it's slightly better now. Let me do this one. Okay, I feel like it's definitely better now that I trimmed it, but I definitely wouldn't say that it is super strong. Like the magnets, they're not really strong magnets. And I don't think it's the magnets per se, I actually think it's the eyeliner that isn't strong enough. I really want to like this. I'm trying everything that I can because I really want to like this. So that's my only complaint right now, is I just wish the eyeliner was stronger. And I think that this product would be absolutely amazing, pretty much flawless, but the liner just isn't quite strong enough for my taste. I wonder if there's better or different brands of magnetic eyeliner that I could try with these. That I'm actually interested in, because if there is other brands of magnetic eyeliner, these might work amazing, because I actually like the lashes. The lashes look fabulous and they feel really good. It's just the eyeliner. So that's my overall review. I think that these could work really well. Maybe it's user error, maybe, because I watched some reviews and some people really like it. I don't know, maybe it's just me. I'm gonna wear these for the rest of the night, and if my opinions change at all, I'll definitely let you guys know. But that's kind of my overall thoughts on this product. So I think that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, comment down below if you have any tips or anything you wanna say about this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.